Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Elon GOAT token. Ticker symbol is EGT. This token was in the top gainer section a couple days ago on CoinMarketCap. I'm looking at it today on CoinGecko. It still says it's up 35.2%. Could be due to the recent migration though, because this token has recently migrated from their old Binance Smart Chain contract to a new Ethereum contract. And there's an announcement on that on their Twitter recently. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Elon GOAT token. Great name, by the way, for a token. So their official webpage, elongoat.io. They have a Medium, Reddit, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, GitHub, price chart, contract address, and Etherscan, all listed on CoinGecko. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the EGT token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan or their new Twitter announcement. You could find it on there as well. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you head over to their Etherscan, right now it says they have 3,958 holders, 9,399 transfers, 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 9 billion tokens. Now, their official webpage has white papers. They have a token to buy off Uniswap. It says their first central exchange listing will be coming soon. They even have a step-by-step how to buy on their webpage here if you didn't understand what I was talking about. There's links to join the EGT Army team information, information about their NFTs, all sorts of stuff, token info on here. So they're going to have a meetup, it says here, Goats Giving in Austin. And they have a countdown to that, 7 days, 23 hours, 46 minutes. It's counting down on their page, elongoat.io. It says EGT token will be making history as we are finally delivering the Elon GOAT monument to Elon Musk in Austin, Texas on Saturday, November 26th. So they have a monument of the Elon GOAT and they're going to be delivering it to him. So that's interesting. It says we invite you to attend and join us in asking Elon to claim this historical event. Now I heard another project similar to this one. I think that project, though, came out after, because this is a kind of a fairly old token. It's not brand new, I don't think, anyways. But I saw an Andrew Tate one where they made a statue of Andrew Tate, and they said their goal is to deliver him the statue, which is very strange. And they probably just copied this project, and I really didn't understand that at all. Like, why would Andrew Tate even care? He's got a lot of money. He can just make a little statue of himself, you know. But anyways, meme coins. That's what this is, meme utility over here. So you can click on attend the event and download event details if you want to check that out. So it looks like they've been listed in a lot of different news articles like Fox Business, CBS, Vice, NBC, Daily Mail, Lad Bible, Vanity Fair, 9gag, Yahoo Finance, CBC, all that type of stuff is on here. So EGT did what? And they show you what the statue looks like. It looks crazy. It's like Elon Musk. He's got a chain on, and it's got a Doge medallion under the chain. The picture is crazy on their webpage here. Maybe I'll put a picture up here actually of the, I usually put their Twitter up here, but actually I'm going to put the Twitter up here. You guys can go to their page, elongoat.io, and check out the monument yourselves. But it's crazy looking. He's on like a SpaceX rocket, and he looks like a dog body, maybe. I don't know, kind of maybe a Doge body, but it's got his head, and then it's got a medallion on it. So it says, Elon Goat token has really stepped outside the box and did something no other crypto project has dared to do. We built Elon Musk a $600,000 monument on the back of a semi-trailer in honor of his many accomplishments and commitment to cryptocurrency. Since completion, EGT has toured several states in the U.S. and has now decided to deliver their gift to Elon at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. We believe that Elon's potential acceptance of this biblical-sized gift could catapult EGT into the limelight and accelerate in various initiatives. EGT's future is bright, and our ambitious plans to launch EGT Pro's merchant processing solutions in early 2023. We also believe with proper execution with subsequent run at multiple centralized exchange listings, this will take us to the top. So that's just right around the corner. So maybe, the token, if this does make a lot of news and whatever, token could do very well in 7 days. I have no idea. We'll have to wait and see. It's one of them risks. So yeah, they show you how to get this token here on Flu's Trade as well. You can get it on Uniswap. So it's got a tax of 0% on buys and 8% on sells. So you may have to set slippage. It says around 9% if you are going to sell this token. And I don't know if it even tells you what the taxes is for. I'm going to assume it was for their project here, the Monument project, but I'm not sure. It doesn't say. So they have an application called EGT Pro. Simplified Adoption Solution. EGT's Pro's platform provides a suite of simplified adoption solutions for cryptocurrency users. The user experience boasts robust wallet infrastructure, direct exchange-like swaps, fiat to crypto solutions, and soon will be a gateway for merchants and consumers to transact for goods and services. So you can check out their application. It's got point of sale, merchant transactional process, crypto-based consumers, etc. All sorts of things on there. Then they have these 5,000 Dapper Goat NFTs. They look pretty cool. All different types of goats. You can check them out. It's got a minting price on their page. Looks like their team is doxed. On the page here, they got 6 members doxed. They have a bunch of white papers here you could check out, and socials all at the bottom of the page. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.